Okay, everyone, we really need more than just a fire alarm system installed in every building. We need a severe weather alert system. We need a Blue Point police system. We need a paramedic system. We need a medical system. And we need a carbon monoxide system. So we can enhance the safety of building occupants. The fire alarm has done a tremendous job in saving lives during fire emergencies in schools. If the fire alarm works very well, in saving lives, there needs to be other types of alarm systems installed in schools to protect students and teachers from other emergencies rather than fires. Active shooters is a big problem these days. The Blue Point police system needs to be mandated in every building, just like the fire alarm system was for decades. Also, the medical system, the paramedic system, and the severe weather system, and the carbon monoxide system. When it comes to the carbon monoxide system, especially mandated in buildings with fuel burning appliances. Because safety is not a joke. And every fire alarm manufacturer needs to make devices for other emergency situations rather than fires. We need pull stations, strobes, and horns for every building emergency so we can be prepared just in case it happens and take action during a emergency. And if those pull stations are at risk of being tampered with, just like a lot of fire alarm pull stations are, put stopper covers over them so we don't have false alarms with these systems from naughty kids pulling them for fun, just like the fire alarm. Bye.